Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. And Nothing has just had their event, which really was all about creating hype because what was in the event could have been summed up in just 2 tweets. But hey, if Carl Pye knows one thing, it's how to generate hype out of absolutely nothing. Don't mind that pun, and also guys, do subscribe for more videos on the Nothing Phone 1. So the Nothing Phone 1 will be the company's second product after the Ear 1 wireless earbuds, which I had the pleasure of reviewing and using, and I did very much like the design of them. Nothing has revealed the teaser of their smartphone, and honestly, no one has an accurate idea of what this means. Even Nothing themselves said that you likely won't get it right now.
You might not get it just yet, but trust me, it's stunning.
So what we can make of it is that it might be English letters C, G, I, or maybe lowercase l, and this could be exclamation sign or inverted I. The second theory is that this looks about the position where the camera module would be, and it looks close enough to the iPhone X's camera module. The middle part kind of reminds me of the wireless charging coils. The bottom exclamation sign could be used to indicate the charging or perhaps the headphone jack. And I don't really know what this one is about, but it kind of looks like the Android robot. But guys, these theories are a shot in absolutely darkness. Some of this might be true but probably isn't. I think Nothing will add more clues to this and then it will start to make sense. It's just a small part of a bigger picture right now. The smartphone is rumored to feature some transparent or translucent parts, just like what they did with the very unique Nothing Ear 1s. However, making a clear phone has its own challenges, and not everyone appreciates a naked phone just like the ones Jerry Rig used to make, because it is kind of a bold statement. But something a bit artistic like the HTC U12 could work wonders, with having some translucent parts, some transparent parts, and other completely opaque parts. And that could make the Nothing Phone 1 one of the sexiest looking smartphones on the planet. And I think that they also need to bring back the headphone jack and really cater to the enthusiasts. Bringing the headphone jack will make a big news and will get eyes on their smartphone. And hey, it isn't a very expensive part to engineer or add to a smartphone. Nothing has also confirmed that they will be using a Qualcomm chipset, which one exactly they did not mention. Talking of software, it will run Nothing OS, which isn't an operating system but a skin on top of Android. They won't add any bloat and will distill Android to just the essentials where every byte has its purpose. We have seen some images of the Nothing OS. The always on display has date and the reminder, same for the lock screen and the home screen. The best part is that the clock and the reminder placement remains constant through all of the three screens, which is really neat. And all of this is using the Nothing font. Also, if you guys do end up loving the Nothing style, you will be able to get a Nothing OS launcher on any other Android smartphone to make it feel more like a Nothing phone, and maybe in future may be able to convince you to jump the gun to Nothing. The smartphone is scheduled to be released in summer of 2022 without a price point yet revealed to the public. However, I do not think it will be fighting against the big boys of the S22 Ultras and the iPhone 13 Pro Maxes in its first outing. I will continue covering every single thing about the smartphone, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let me know guys, what are your thoughts about this new smartphone? Will Nothing become what OnePlus once used to be, the special enthusiast brand? Let me know in the comment section. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this. You can also say hi to me on Insta and Twitter. And guys, thanks a lot for watching.